Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Hey friends, welcome to another episode. Have a really cool lesson for you this time. Today we're going to really help you fill in some gaps. As I've said many times before, we're talking about the word still in Spanish. You know, in this lesson, I'm going to talk about the various uses of the word in English and how they translate to Spanish. Now, let's talk about the word still. You know, when we first think about this word, to me, it implies something that has been going on and is still going on. That's still the case. In other words, the action that was going on has not changed. It's still the same. And so let's look at an example like that. I could say, I still like Japanese food, which is true. So in this situation, it would make the most sense, really, for us to use the word todavía. So here's the Spanish translation. Todavía me gusta la comida japonesa. Okay, now let's modify this example a little bit. If we put the word no after it and conjugate the verb in the present tense, it can imply we haven't finished an action. If I wanted to say, I still haven't finished studying, I could say this, todavía no termino de estudiar. So just put it in the present tense, put that no in front of it. Now I can also use it with other tenses as well. So here's an example of the present progressive. Todavía estoy estudiando. Okay, now here's one using the present perfect indicative. Todavía no he terminado de estudiar. So I have not finished studying. Okay, now, guys, if you've done any research on the word still, you know that the word aún can be used as still also. So let's talk about the difference between aún and todavía. Now, I talked to Robin, who is here on our channel as well, our English for Spanish speakers teacher, and she's a native speaker. And so I like to bounce ideas off her. So I asked her, I said, hey, in your mind as a native speaker, what's the difference? And so she offered some really good insight. You know, a lot of times you'll see that the word aún is more formal than todavía. It also has a little different connotation. So let's look at a couple of examples here. Aún no he encontrado tiempo para ver esa película. Now, this could be translated as, I haven't found time to watch that movie yet. Okay, so while some people say, oh, isn't aún and todavía the same? In this case, really, aún has that feeling of yet. Okay, now, yeah, we could say, I still haven't found time to watch that movie. So it would translate to still in that case. But just know it could have that yet feel to it also. So aún can have yet, and some people may argue it's the same, yes, but in the Spanish speaker's mind, it does sound a little different to most people. So here's another example. A pesar de que he intentado varias recetas, aún no me gusta el brócoli. Hey, maybe that's you, I don't know. So even though I've tried several recipes, I still don't like broccoli. I think it's okay. Or I don't like broccoli yet, even though this has been going on. So just know that aún can really have a couple different feels to it, connotations. Now, finally, if you're needing to say something is very still, then that is quieto. So here's an example. The lion is staying very still. El león se queda muy quieto. Okay, so that's a totally different use of the word still in Spanish. Well, amigos, I hope that this has helped you understand the word still just a little bit better. Keep practicing, amigos. And hey, if you have your own uses of still in Spanish, drop them in the comments. I'd love to read those, and I know our friends would as well. I'll see you on the next episode, but until then, I wish for you and all your family and friends paz y bendiciones. Hasta pronto.